We have our next question, which says the following SAS program is submitted, and we have been given with this code. This code is actually creating a dataset named digest-L in work library, and in which an array statement is being used with the name, and the name of the array is being given as observe, and it said the array will hold three variable or three values, and a length of 8 is being used, and it is specified that the array is of character type, and the values are being initialized to appendicitis, diverticulosis, and gastroenteritis. So three values are being initialized. And the question is, what is the value of the second variable in the digest L? So this creates three variables named observe1, observe2, and observe3. And the second variable would be observe2, and the value that is being assigned is diverticulosis. But if we see, the variable length is being assigned a value of 8 and of character type. So what happens is only the first 8 characters of this value would be assigned to observe2 variable. So we are looking for an option which has this diverticulosis partially, the first 8 characters of this, and then see if we have an option with that value. The first option says diverticulosis, which is the full text of this, but as we discussed, so it would lead to truncation of up to 8 characters. So this is not the correct answer as we have the full value assigned. And the second option has DIVER, which is 5 TIC. So the first 8 letters of this value is listed in the second option, which seems to be the correct answer. But let us take a look at the other options before concluding that this is the correct answer. The third option says a missing value. No, when we create an array and initialize values, the values get assigned to the variables. And if the variables are not previously present, the variables would actually be created. So missing value is not the correct answer. And the last option says no variables are created, which is also not correct. So when with an array, we can either refer existing variables and if or create new variables if the variables are not existent. So here in this case, three variables would be created, which is observe1, observe2, and observe3 of length 8 of character type, and the value of DIVERTIC would be assigned to the variable observe2, which is the second variable. Which is our response was correct.